We use wooden boxes to ensure the machine will not be damaged during transportation. When you receive the machine, be sure to take photos and videos to confirm whether the packaging is intact. Don't lift the upper part of the machine. We provide all kinds of accessories for you. More than 50 centimeters away from the wall. The next step is to connect auxiliary gas, nitrogen or argon, and set flow rate to 15 to 20 liters per minute. There are 3 power cord to connect: ground wire for yellow color, live wire for red color, null wire for black color. Then connect the wire feeder power cord, one end to the machine and the other end to the wire feeder. Next, install the wire feeding tube, insert the end of the wire feeding tube, and tighten the screws to fix it. Select the wire feed roll with the corresponding wire width. Install the wire feed disc and secure it to prevent it from falling off. Pass the wire through the wire feeder wheel, send the wire to the other end of the outlet, and then fix it. Fix the pressure wheel. Use manual wire feeding function. Then install the wire feeding components, wire feeding nozzle in order. Adjust the gun head position so that it is stuck at the 0 scale. Fix the wire feed tube so that the welding wire is stuck in the groove below the nozzle. Cut off the excess welding wire, leaving 2 to 3 centimeters. The correct sequence is important. Firstly, turn on the main power switch, then turn the system switch. You can select your preferred language and save your parameters for easy future use. This makes operation more convenient and efficient. When you start welding, remember to wear protective goggles. After you've set the welding parameters, it's crucial to attach the grounding protection clamp to the material you're working on. It ensures optimal protection, providing a more reliable and secure operation. The laser welding machine can weld materials of varying thicknesses such as stainless steel, carbon steel, copper etc. It welds with beautiful seams, requiring no secondary processing.